Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells beard trimmer BT5100C. You can see what the trimmer actually looks like. It's a transparent case. There's some information over here like the different haircut styles that you can achieve with this particular trimmer. It comes with 10 desired beard length settings starting from 0.5 to 17 millimeters. It also comes with hypoallergenic blades and has a runtime of 45 minutes. Do we have any more information? Yes, we do. It has micro USB charging capabilities, comb lock function, as mentioned earlier, 10th length setting and washable detachable blades. That's more or less it. Let's open this package and see what we can find inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Havells beard trimmer BT5100C. Over here we have a packet containing the combing fluid and a tiny comb to clean the head. We'll leave this over here. This is your micro USB charging cable. You can see this is a micro USB charging cable for this particular trimmer. And this is of course your operation instructions / guarantee card for this particular trimmer. You should read it at least once. Now let's take a look at this particular trimmer. So there you see, this is what it looks like. You can see the Havells logo over here. It's made out of plastic, but it looks pretty sturdy. It has this anti-slip design over here. You can see it's working right now. And this is your comb lock. So if I press this button, I won't be able to use this comb. See, the comb is now unmovable. But I release this, I can basically take this comb out. So how you basically change the length settings is just by pushing the comb up, and every time you go up you can see the number changing. And that's how you basically change the length settings. You can remove the comb completely. As you can see, this is a detachable comb. There's also a detachable head that comes with hypoallergenic blades. I will show them to you. Yeah, this is what the head looks like, and these are your blades. Closer look. These are your blades, and this is the head. You can wash this blade under tap water, but you should not wash this part under any circumstances, at least not with water. I want to put the blade back on top of the trimmer, like so. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Havells beard trimmer BT5100C. Thank you for watching.